Good morning, everybody. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. It is a beautiful, brisk, cold December 13th morning. Today is my oldest son's 48th birthday. I cannot believe I have a child who is almost 50. But anyway, as I said in my last video, I'm only going to do the December daily up until Christmas, and so my next prompt that I want to work on was gingerbread, and that was prompt number 20. I've got my hibiscus tea here, which is good for my heart. If you want to go get yourself a nice warm cozy cup of tea or coffee or hot cocoa, go right ahead and do so. But for this prompt of gingerbread, I'm just going to simply use this beautiful background from Anton of Bontic Vintage Designs on Etsy. He gave a freebie set. Here's some of them. I didn't print them all out because I ran out of ink. It uses a lot of ink. But Nicole Relax Cut Glue's channel, he works with her a lot and gives away freebies to her viewers. So for this one, for gingerbread, I'm simply going to use this beautiful background and put my little gingerbread men on here. Probably one of my kids made this one years ago. I don't know. This one is just a little sticker from probably Dollar Tree or something. So that's all I'm going to do for gingerbread. I thought about using my gingerbread paper for the background that I have in here. You know, with the houses. Let's see. One of them is a blue background. I'm trying to also keep this pretty simple, but or pretty quick actually. But I thought about that and I thought, this is so much prettier. And you know, I think I've used one of those, either the pink or the blue page before in my journal. I'm not going to look around for it right now, but I am going to quickly do this and move on to the rest of my spreads. I'm going to quickly do them all, I think, in this video, and then then we will just wait for Christmas, and I'll do my Christmas one. So let's get this started. The rest of the ones that I do, I'm probably just going to show you, but I wanted to have one where I was showing you the process, no matter how simple it is, and just so I could talk to you. And I hope you are having a great day. I appreciate each of you very much. Special shout out to Debbie, Reed, and Donnie. I appreciate you guys so much. I love your comments and seeing your comments, and you are my most loyal commenters and watchers, so thank you so much for that. I hope you have a very merry holiday, and I hope all of you have a very merry holiday. But anyway, let's get this done here. We got my little guy, my little sticker guy here. Oops. Oh, I am picking up, well, actually, I'm not picking up. My husband is going to go get this paper is not coming off very easily. He's going to go get our youngest from college tonight for the Christmas break in between. Well, it's like the winter break. He doesn't go back until like the end of January. Then tomorrow we're picking up Bethany for the weekend. Usually what we do is every other weekend she comes on Saturday morning at 9 o'clock. And then we bring her back to her date program on Monday morning at 9 o'clock. And then on the off weeks, when we're not doing the sleepovers, we just visit for the day, or, you know, she comes here for the day, or we take her out for the day, or something like that. So we see her every week, and we call her every night. Okay, so that's it for gingerbread, but what I do need to do now is make a number. Put the number on. Okay, so I got my number up here. I decided a red circle would be good with all these little Christmas balls and berries. And this is my finished spread for gingerbread. And now I'll just go about the business of finishing up. Where's my little list? I lost my list. Oh, here it is. The next 4 are going to be children, angel, forest animal, and I think that's it. Maybe I might need one more. I don't know. But so we got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I need 4 more, and then Christmas. So they're all going to be extremely simple, and then at the end I'll come back and say goodbye. And this is number 21, which was Forest Animal. So I chose this other beautiful background from Anton Bontic Vintage Designs as my main feature of a deer, of course. And then we have a tag with a deer. And on the back of the tag, I just stamped some forest animals. This was supposed to be an owl, which did not show up very well, but we've got a deer, porcupine, wolf, and a bunny. And so that is forest animal. So I have finished the rest of the spreads for my December dailies, and as you saw, I did this one on camera, but I found all these definitions, Christmas definitions, in my stash from junkjournalideas.com, although I don't remember when I got them or if they're still available, but decided to add the gingerbread one to the gingerbread page and the reindeer one to my wild, forest animals page. And then back here, I did my angel page. I have a background of music paper, and I just thought that these little guys, these were so sweet. These little angels were so sweet. I put them on a background of a gold sparkly doily, and then I put the definition there, and I just wrote the number in gold because I thought it would look better than like a green and red one. And then up here I got this cherub or angel holding the banner from my cut up this book. I think it was Underworld or Wonderland. It was one of those two. I don't remember. But I also put the other part of the doily up there. And then over here is Peace on Earth, and I simply used a background from Anton Bontic Vintage Designs because it looks so peaceful to me. And honestly, what is more peaceful than being out in the country at night in a snowstorm in the woods? We used to live in an area just like this. We had neighbors, but you couldn't see them. They were quite far away. You couldn't see them from our yard. We had 7 acres. And there's just nothing more magical and peaceful than being outside at night when it's just, gently snowing. So I put that for peace. And then for Christmas Eve, I simply put this Norman Rockwell painting down. I thought it was perfect for Christmas Eve, and the prompt of children. And that is it. And so I skipped this page because this page was wider and I didn't want to cut down Norman's painting. But the rest of the pages will be for personal ephemera during the holidays. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting my channel. I appreciate you so much, coming and watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because I would love for you to be a subscriber. And you can hit the notification bell, and you can be notified of when my next you can be notified when my next videos upload and or go live, or whatever you want to call it. I will have others videos that I'm sure I have scheduled between now and New Year's Eve, but if I don't actually make a video between then and now, I just wanted to know that I wanted you to know how much I appreciate you, and I hope you have a very merry holiday season and a happy new year, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.